Why does Japan have almost no public dustbins, yet remain spotless? Imagine walking through the world's busiest cities and finding no litter and no bins. How is this possible? It started in 1995 when bins were removed for security after the Tokyo subway attacks. But the real secret isn't security. The secret is Japanese culture. From a young age, students clean their own schools, building a lifelong respect for shared spaces. In Japan, you don't look for a bin, you take your rubbish home. It's about social responsibility and respect for the community. A clean country isn't created by more dustbins. It's created by millions of people choosing to be responsible for their own waste. The cleanest streets don't come from stricter rules. They come from stronger values. Real cleanliness starts with you. Next time you see a piece of litter, remember Japan. Cleanliness begins with individual responsibility.